In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment card to Google Wallet. Knowing how to do this can make your transactions smoother and more swift, especially when you're out and about. So grab your payment card and let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you need to open Google Wallet on your device. If you're using an Android phone, you might find this app already installed, but if not, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, you'll notice a few options right on the home screen. What you're looking for is the button that says Add to Wallet. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Once you've clicked on Add to Wallet, you'll be presented with several choices of what you might want to add to your digital wallet. For our purposes today, go ahead and select Payment Card. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to getting your card ready for digital transactions. After choosing to add a payment card, you'll see two options for how you can get your card's information into the wallet. The first option is to scan your card. If your device has a camera and Google Wallet has access to it, this can be a quick and easy way to capture all the card details without manually typing them in. Just position your card within the frame shown on your screen and the app will do the rest. It will automatically fill in the card number, expiration date, and sometimes even the cardholder's name. This is not only time-saving, but also reduces the chances of typing errors. The second option is to enter your card details manually, which is particularly useful if the automatic scanning doesn't work for any reason or if you prefer to do it yourself. When entering the details manually, take care to ensure each number is correct. You'll need the card number, expiry date, and the CVV, which is the security code typically found on the back of most cards. Be mindful of double-checking this information to avoid any processing errors later. Once all the necessary details are inputted into Google Wallet, the final step is to click Save and Continue. This will submit your information to securely link your payment card with the Wallet app. You may notice a brief moment as Google Wallet confirms your information. This is perfectly normal. Once completed, your card will be ready for use within the app. And there you have it. Adding a payment card to Google Wallet is a simple procedure that can greatly enhance your digital payment experience. Whether you're paying for a coffee or making an online purchase, having your card ready to go can make your day just a bit more hassle-free. If you found this video useful, feel free to explore other related content. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless transactions.